Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with MuchDutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Benzinestation, or gas or petrol station in English. This is the way we say Benzinestation. Benzinestation. There is a light emphasis on the second syllable. Benzinestation. Ben-zi-ne-sta-tion. Benzinestation. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on MuchDutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!